Ladies and jeeps. I didn't get around to retooling every deck by putting all the best cards in. So let's just watch some shit for a bit and see what happens. See what happens. Refunked. Yep, he's got the sleeveys. What do we got? We got Chandra. We got Blow Up All the Peeps. We got no spells for 3 turns though. Still, you got all the colours. Oh. Okay, it's not weenies. Not weenies just yet. Alright, that's good. That's good. Should help me find what I'm looking for. Which is Marilyn Sokova's bio. What happened to her? Where did she go? If you don't know who I'm talking about, I feel sorry for you. Everybody should know. Oh, white black beanbags. We got a, I don't know, we got a chance? I don't know. I love this deck. If you can draw 15 cards a game, then it's a good game. I think I'm looking for lands, regardless of what he plays. We got double white for Blow Up All the Peeps if he's playing tokens or Zombingtons. Alright, that guy's pretty balls. Alright, everything costs too much Sadio Mane's. I like that, and I also like this. I don't play either of those in any other deck. See, this is the kind of card I'm talking about. Alright, this is actually turned to shit. I don't have any fucking land, despite having 2 draws and what? Look at the top 3 cards of your ass. So I'm going to cast out and look for a land. What's he got? The Angelique? Yeah, that's what I thought. We're ranked 23. We're playing the pure basics. It's just too dangerous. It's just too dangerous to assume I'm going to draw a land. So let's... Alright, the game's too busy. Oh, now it's just not doing anything I fucking ask. What a surprise. So, is it a land? It would have been great if it was. Well, that's unfortunate. These things happen, though. Do I take another 6? I don't think that's the plan. It will be the fucking same thing either way, so eat my shit. Alright, too many enchantments confirmed. Flame Shadow's good. That's good. That's good. What don't I want? Flamies. Yeah, nah, Flamies is fucking great. You can eat my tits. I know that that was the best card to go with Valor and Akros, but rub my balls. Now, what goes along with this? Alright. Planar Outburst. That's fine. You just never know what you're going to play when you start Magic Duels up. And you're not rank 40. This looks like he's been playing for a couple of months. Play the best cards that you own. The end. Although maybe it is zombies and he just put that one dude in because it can do some damage. Which, evidently, it can. Yeah, the pieces of these puzzles take a bit long to get rolling. I think... How many red do I have? Only 1. I'm just going to play Thopter Engineer. Unless I can play Chandra. We'll see. I can at least play Thopter Engineer and Declaration in Stone if the man's balls fall out. Another guy who doesn't look at his hand during his own turn. Alright, that card's gotta go. You gotta go, son. Life's too short to be holding your pieces of shit back. So if I draw a red, I'll play one of these two. If I don't, I'm just gonna play flame shits. One, two types of creatures. So he's taken 4, right? All right, he's got 3 types. Oh, land as well. All right, so he's taking some damage. Maybe. What are you gonna do? You need that red? No, no one's helping me out. Lose to a fucking Delirium Mind Rack Demon in zombies because the man probably doesn't have any better zombies. Although I wouldn't mind one of these in my discard deck, but what are you gonna do? I ain't got one. Ah, Magic Jewels. It's the best. Did he lose 4? Yeah. Come on, man. You got 3 cards. There's only possibly 2 options. Alright. Put Herald of Anguish back in his hand. I don't know how I'm getting through Herald of Anguish. I don't know. Maybe he's not taking that. It seems like the obvious choice. He's taken forever. Magic Jewels, ladies and gentlemen. Non-stop twattery. What a surprise. Only took you fucking 2 minutes. So draw a red land or die. As you know how your Magic is. You play 3 colours, you got tap lands all over the shop. I didn't put a red land in the bin. We fucking did it again. Love Magic Jewels. Love it. Lose to any old shit if you don't play all the best cards. Fuck off. Literally had enough of this. I'm deleting that. That's balls. Let's try this for a change. This doesn't have all the best cards in, I don't think. It's got a lot of flyers. Yeah, I'm doing a full overhaul. This whole channel's decks. We just have to. You just have to play your bet. Why put yourself at an intentional disadvantage where a man who looks like he's been playing for a couple of weeks crowbars in fucking Mind Rack Demon with his standard zombie weird shitness deck and can still smash your balls? It's just two funnies. Alright, what do we got? I don't know. Alright. So, he still managed to spend 750 beans on sleeves. At rank 22. At foil up his fucking shit lands. Seems totally normal to me. Totally what everybody does. Everyone does it. Everyone does it. What do you think? I think this deck was actually built properly. I mean, when I say properly, I mean over powerfully. This guard, I never play it. But it's good. I never play it. Because, not for any particular reason. Still, pretty good. So I'll play this, shit on this balls. Compulsory rest. Yeah, a lot of these decks haven't been tinkered with in a while. Not that that could attack anyway, but I'd rather tick it up than give myself an emblems. I'm not a big believer in emblems, of Gideon emblems anyway. You can only have one Gideon at a time. That's what's going to happen anyway. Yeah, rank. Look, ladies and gentlemen, this is just the epitome of arse shits. What do you do? Whenever you investigate for the first time, investigate again. Yeah, I'll play Glimmer of Genius, I think. Or maybe Thunderblaps. Rank 22. It's been literally 10 years since I've been that shit. Foiled up. Perfect bullshits. What's to be done? If you know what's to be done, fucking smugglers as well. Go fuck your mum. So, have to cast this out because Magic's. Actually, he can have one free slap. Yeah, rank 22, all the cards, all foiled, sleeved up, Zendy Black lands. Gideon, obviously. I don't know. I just don't understand Magic's. I really don't. Alright, I can kill Gideon, maybe. I can at least manually kill this. I'll see who he blocks. Oh no, I didn't see that come in. I ballsed it up. Yeah, balls. So he could have blow up all the peeps or languish. At least I got a cast out for Gids. Dr. Skid Marks. Alright, he might have blow up all the peeps. Could have anything. We'll just have to hold our balls and see. For another foily Gideon. Alright, let me just stop moaning, because I like this deck. It's actually built to an extent where I'm happy. So, we'll see. Just in case got Blessed Alliance. I could look for the... Alright, that's not a bad bunch of dudes. Alright, hold your balls. What am I exiling from these guys? Another Gideon? Oh, I'll just block Gideon. All that foiling up your bullshit, son. You fucking should leave, you dumb fucking bitch. All that time foiling his lands. He forgot to actually realise what casting costs are. Fucking dickheads. Magic jewels, eat a spaghetti sauce. You fucking shit on a dick. Alright, what else have we got that's balls? Nope. I'm addicted to Bono Black. It's fucking shit. But I love it. Pour myself some more Pepsinis. Gotta love that, man. Let me make a 2/3 tapped creature and then concede the game. What a champ. Yeah, Mono Blue's getting deleted. That game, that deck's fucking shit. Shall I do, ladies and gentlemen, a request to rank 40 again and just play the 2 ramp decks and see how long it takes me? I'm not sure you want to see the same deck for what would probably be 20 or 25 games. Yeah. There's not a lot going on, but who gives a shit? I got all the removals and a discard 2 cards. Do you remember when they first programmed this? And you could activate this whenever you wanted. Good old Magic's. People were just fucking end-stepping it on the other guy's turn, make you discard 2 of your mum's shoes. What a game. Smuggles? Oh, we couldn't smugglingtons it. That's not a big risk to me. Alright, it's not a big risk. That's the end of the sentence. Alright, that's not a bad draw. I remember the old days where I would lose to this because it would get out of control. And I didn't have any fatal pushes, or I didn't play them at least. I realise why I think fatal pushes bum cheeks. It's because I primarily play big decks where I'm languishing and Yehenny's expertising and blowing up all the peeps. So none of that makes any difference to me. Alright. What's the plan? Aha! That is the plan. Play Vessel, attack. We'll see what he does. If it's nothing, well, then we'll do nothing. If it's something... Oh, that's 2 manes to do his shit. Alright, I'm just attacking. And I got Moida. If he... Oh, he can't crew that because it's got no shits on it. Alright. If he plays a 4-mana creature able to crew that, then too bad. If he has to attack with the turtle, then I'll fatal push it. Shall I... Am I doing any of that? Or shall I just stick to the original plan? I don't like this, but there's not a lot I can do about it. Alright, you can have your energy, man. You can have your 1 power bollock. I don't like this at all. That card is superb. I saw somebody use it in Real Magiques. And you know if somebody's using it in Real Magiques, then that's serious beeswax. You know what? Just for all the spaghettis, I'm going to play my whole balls out. Obviously, you could say that was wrong. Life is too short to be treating this game like I'm going to qualify for Mark Rosewater's Christmas barbecue. This ain't getting me shit. What'd he lose? If he's playing this, you gotta believe he's not got all the cards. So he can crew this. I can murder it. That sounds fine to me. Getting a bit too many lands. Alright, I'm out of place. Now we'll just see what happens. See, this is what I like about Magic. Now I don't care what happens. It feels like I've done everything I can, and now it's just up to what's on top of the deck. I'll be happy to say... If he plays a Sky Sovereign, I'm dead. If he don't, I'm alright. Whenever this or another artifact, return to your hand target artifact card. Alright, so I don't want that to die. Oh, fuck off. You see what I mean? This is why I don't like playing any fucking Magic. There's just nothing else. There's just no skill. There's nothing for me to do. He gets to draw a couple of cards, a turn, scry, draw, fuck off. Sacrifice this, get 2 artifacts to trade with that. Then I need another one. See, you gotta play your best cards. I'm the only man who wasn't playing the shits. Interesting. I would have thought he would have gone for the bounceroos. So, we've top decked 2 lands. Definitely not doing it again. That's not ideal. Fuck Jace. Ah, baby Jeeves. Yeah, like I said, 2 turns ago, I was done with this game. This actual matchup. But now, I gotta sit around, shit on my ass. If I top deck another land, I'm finished. Man, that is aggressive. It's not like he's on 5 life or anything. Although, Jace, has he used that already? He should have bounced this to begin with. So I need Declaration in Stone with my black deck. Alright, wonderful. Actually, he's fucking been a bit weird. Actually, how am I winning? You top deck fucking 3 out of 4 lands. Go fuck your mum. That's what I mean with this game. I knew that deck game was lost. When he's fucking bestiary in his bullshits. Fucking bollocks. Really fucking bollocks. Every deck's got to be rebuilt until everything is the best it can be. Maybe it just took me a good on 2 years to figure that out. There's no way. Allies would be 1 Munda and all the rest, everything else that you see normally. Fucking ass bullshits. Alright. We don't play Willbreaker very often, and I don't know what I can ever do to save this deck. It used to seem like it was good. So what's the question? Do you want to watch me play black-green ramp every day until I'm rank 40 again? Or do you want me to rebuild every deck until I think it's at optimal capacity where if I lose, it's because the other guy played all the best cards and he beat me. Not I wanted to play some new cards and I lost. Alright, 2 mana, draw 1. Got Chandra. Alright, I mean, life is short, so fucking I don't want to sit around doing a shit. Mono red, I got Languish maybe. That Languish is getting further away with mono lands. Ah, magic jewels. I don't understand. I don't understand. Full on fun policage. Alright, we still ain't got no lands. That's what we want. 90%. You're going to draw another land. Alright, we did it. We're throwing Einstein's mathematics up his arse with our magic jewels proportion of 2 land draws another land. Alright, this guy is taking his time too. Yeah, if I don't draw blue, I'm out of the door. Yeah, well, that's bullshit. So, I'm probably not due a blue land, so I can't complain if I draw, I don't know, Willbreaker. Man's going for energy beans. I'm going for nothing. Nothing spaghettis. Alright. This only can get energy when it attacks, right? Yeah, fucking shit version of the long toss nub. Deedle-dee-dee. I suppose if I still don't draw a land, I could stop it from attacking so it can't get any counters. Yeah, love it. Love this game. One more. One more. Actually. One more turn. If I don't get it, sit on it. He's up to 6 fucking mana. He's got double my mana. Just play a Chandra if he's got it. Yeah. It's all the same damage, I suppose. Or can you do that more than once? I don't know. Didn't even want to do it. Interesting. Alright, languish. I don't know. Yeah, how many times have I said that? But I don't think there's too many times you draw 4 cards and don't get a land. Love it. Love Magic Jewels. Love it! Never, never is Hearthstone not going to be worse than Magic when you play games like that are just super fun. Never. Ah, man, I just feel like deleting all these fucking decks. Like, why? There are 4 archetypes, pretty much, that you see. And then you'll get one guy who's, like, got a PhD in nerdology who's built some weird combo deck that's actually alright half the time. I don't know who's got time for that shit. I can't even play that clue deck because the amount of time it takes to learn what I'm supposed to do, I can't be bollocked. If it don't make immediate sense, I'm not dedicating time to learning how to be good at Magic Jewels. It should be like pre-packaged to be good. Modo, different story. I don't walk into a pro tour and go, why the fuck ain't I as good as everyone else? This is bullshit. If I want to play a beginner's game, then I do feel that way, and you can eat my ass otherwise. Alright, what am I looking for? Evolving Wilds next turn. Then I could play Tezzeret, maybe. Or does this guy need to get whacked? I don't think so. Especially not now. Hopefully... I don't know. I don't know what I hope anymore when I play Magic Jewels. Decisions with mono green, eh? It's not like you just play all your ramps, yeah. I mean, that took a good minute to think about. Alright, I'm gonna play this. He could have any... Alright, now I'm not gonna play it. So he could have Languish, Yehenni's Expertise, anything. Looks like the same deck that I play. I don't know what it's doing at 26 unless he changes his deck every day and tries to play Elves or Willbreaker. Then I'll forgive you. If you're playing Dr. Bumcheek's Black-Green and you're ranked 26, you are a dickhead. Alright, if it's Ulamog anywhere, can't do anything about that. Yeah, if you got Ulamog, you got Ulamogs. I don't know what this guy's doing at rank 26 with this deck, like I say, unless he's changing his decks around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 manas. 11 manas. 5 cards in hand. Fuck you. Fuck off. Literally, when does that happen? I play that deck all the time. Just fuck off. What a cunt machine this is. What can be done? I just don't know. Magic Duels is the fucking shits. Yeah, I just don't know what to say. I don't know what rank I have to be before people stop turn 6 Ulamogging. Or pure zombiesing. But it's all over. It's all over for trying to build these niche decks. I just can't handle it. It's so bullshit. Like, what? It's genuine. This is supposed to... I don't know. We've just gone over the same fucking thing a million times. What are you going to do? That is not fun. Yeah, alright. Starting from tomorrow, ladies and gentlemen, it's just black, green, ramp. I'm deleting every other deck. This is just going to be called Primal Ramp Decks. That's it. It's all I can fucking do. And then, of course, when you get higher up to the old rank 40s again, everyone's just playing mono reds or some other version of shit. Alright. Sigil of the Empty Shits. Coming up in about 16 turns. I could probably cycle that one away. Oh man. There are so many decks in Magic that deserve to be made. Not by us, just by whiz-bangs, like a dual decks. Make a digital version of Magiques for dual decks. Or something like that. Because everybody would play it. And when I say everybody, I'm pretty certain that that's true. This is just bums. Bums on dicks. Yeah, turn 3 plainies, just like everyone else. I didn't play that in this deck because I thought we see Nissa. We see Nissa all the time, but what are you going to do? I don't care. You can eat my balls. Didn't really want to put it on that land, but what are you going to do? The amount of times I've tried really hard to focus the land I'm putting it on, and the game's like, eat my shit, I'll do what I want. You can get fucked. So, red, white, ramp. Oh man, I've just had enough of this game. Truly, it's just the same cards, non-stop, all day. It's just all the same because everyone has to win. Everyone has to play the best cards. It's the fucking shits. So every card that I don't think is pure Optimum Prime can suck a bollock. Fucking hell. What are you going to do? What are you going to do, ladies and gentlemen? What are you going to do? I really want to play Sigils. Well, the man's got all the mythics that puts the best cards out on the field as soon as he wants, so fuck you. Ah, man. Genuinely, I never realized Magic Duels needed so much fucking effort. Rank 27 versus 24. Everyone's got all the cards. Look at this bullshit. He still gets to play a 5-mana spell for free, even if he only draws 2, so I'm guessing he's going to get to play Nissa. Maybe just got a better version of the deck I'm trying to play, because I tried to put black in to play some shit, and it don't work. Fucking bum cheeks. Yeah, come on. Attack with your 2-1, you fucking spam. Oh my god. If it's not fucking uneven deck bollocks, it's dickheads sitting there wanking their dick that they managed to... Fuck off then. Fucking hell. How is it taking this long to attack? You fucking morons. pure spams. Just spam bots. I don't know what they think they can get away with. Just play the AI then, you fucking twat. What do I want? Heliod's bollock. Yeah, that's not bad. Can't complain. Unless it gets blown up, then I can complain. Maybe I shouldn't have actually played that. I forgot that I had Sigil in my hand because I'm just so fucking annoyed and pissed off at this shit. Well, good job. Good job I didn't play this. Yeah, blow up. Definitely play 3, because everyone's always playing enchantments that you need to blow up. 100% guaranteed. So, what do I need? Blow up all the peeps? Yep, that's definitely what I'm looking for. Only got 1 white land, despite this deck being principally white. Yeah, I'm losing this fucking game too. Alright, that's the end. That's the end. We're playing black, green forever. We'll start right this fucking minute. Black, green forever. I did sort of sabotage that deck by trying to play Cruel Reality, because I thought it's a great card. I want to play Cruel Reality. Nope. If you're going to make your deck 1% worse, even if you drop 14 ranks, still, fuck it. Get your balls bollocked. I just can't be fucking asked. Can't be asked. What do you have to do in Magic Duels, really? Go on the internet and look at all of everybody's premium shitty bollock deck that they built and copy it and then play it all day. Or, I don't even know what's the alternative. Foil your deck up because you've got everything but we're still rank fucking 27. Shit on it. Shit on it, son. Get to go second, of course. Love it. Alright, we're playing the mirror. I haven't got any ramp in my hand. That's what I like when you're playing a ramps. Alright, now I gotta shut up. I am playing my best deck, after all. But is he playing the counters? He's got 2 blues. Simic is very, very weak if you don't play counter spells. You know what? Oh, I only have 1 black. If I top deck shit, I'm gonna shitty on it. Nope, nothing. So effectively 0 ramp up to this stage. What are you gonna do? Got 3 spells I can't cast. Wonderful. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gonna play his own Soa. Or I don't know what. Maybe he's just holding up counter spells because we love Magic. We love Magic so much that we don't want to play shit ever again. Well, the Oblivion Soa is a trigger, so it's gonna resolve. Well, the trigger will resolve. Elder Deep Fiend. I don't know where the fuck this card is. I'm sure I must have one. Fucking ass bullshits. Why are you pausing it if you don't know what you're fucking doing? Ladies and gentlemen, yeah, let's just do this. Let's do this. We play blue, so this is what we do when we're playing blue. Pause the game because you have to and take a sip of your Pepsi Max at the end of every end step. It is a requisite if you play blue. It's not my rules. Those is just one of the things that have to happen. I really need another swamp or a way to find a swamps. Why? Why? Why is this so difficult to look through my own fucking lands? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So he's got a lot of mayonnaise for his 4 cards. He's never seen them before though, because that's what Magic Duels is like. Alright, what are we doing? Gotta do this. See what happens. Did it. We did it. Alright, my attacking. Well, bubs. Yeah, fuck you. These guys are redundant, so if he spends a whole turn activating this, then that's fine. Still fine. Let's think. Languish. Nah, there's no point for no Languinis. I'll play Obnixilis, kill this. If it doesn't get countered. Bullshit that's what you have to think about when you're playing against ramp. Counter spells. Counter spell ramp. Fucking babies. Nope, he's got his cards in his, he's put these in a digital box, so he can't see what he's actually got on offer. Yeah, there's no point not attacking. Exploding vegetables, I'm way ahead on mana, but what am I drawing into? Not much. So we'll go for the Obnobs. So, 2 cards, not ideal at the moment. Play Lilybags. Nothing I want. I could get Nissa back. Have 3 Planies, because that's what you need. That's what you need to beat a man at rank 27. Is 3 premium Planies at all times. Baby Jeeps. Babby Jabbies. Yeah, play this, minus, get Nissa back, flip Nissa, plus this, shit on my balls, everything's great. Actually, well, I don't really want to waste the Pulse of Marasa. Or do I? Yeah, fuck it. We'll just take our time and scratch our balls. We're the one in the ascendancy, so I'll let him try and beat my Planies. See? Black, what is it? Black, what am I playing? 23. 23 trying to play non-black green ramp decks. Love Magiques. Love Magiques. Alright, I'm playing Pulse now. So I'll play Yeheni's Expertise, play Nissa, just fuck about. You never know when you might need one extra Sadios. Alright, this is in the bag. What do you got? Loads of shit. Alright, here's the Odyssey, ladies and gents. But we're just playing black, green forever. Until I win all the decks. And then I can... I don't know what I want to do. I'm almost uncommon rank, apparently. Even though I'm the best player who ever lived. Amazing. Amazing. What's in here? Who cares? Actually, we'll open Ether Revolt because it's better. I say it's better. We'll see what we get. There's more enchantment-y wank bullshits. I don't know. I don't think so. Alright. I'm going to come back in a few days. I'm going to retool every single deck to be as powerful as it can be, aka filled with Planeswalkers and Mythics, because that's what everyone does. Marionette Master, that's on the list, and Yu-Gi-Oh! Zoibs.